Hi, I'm Brandon with Rockland Heating and Air. Have you ever had your air conditioner not cooling and when you go outside all you hear is a buzzing noise maybe, or that nothing's turning on at all? That's more than likely going to be your capacitor here. It's probably the most common failure to an air conditioning system. We run into this all the time, a ton of times throughout the summer here. Your capacitor is an electrical component that holds and releases an electrical charge that helps start the fan motor and the compressor out here. When this part fails or goes bad here, it will not start these components here. Consider it like a starter in a car, basically. If your car can't start, most likely it's that starter here. Same thing with your fan motor and compressor. The second most likely component that can fail or cause your system to have those symptoms also is your contactor. Your contactor is an electrical switch that passes power to these components here. It waits with power on this end of it for a call for cooling and passes it through to these components here. Generally, when we're out at a call for one of these parts here, it's recommended to replace them both. Oftentimes your technician may have these components on their truck to be able to replace for you. If these parts go bad and they're not resolved quickly, they do have the potential of taking out this fan motor or compressor, which is a much more expensive repair rather than replacing these two parts alone. So if you're having any kind of issues like I described here, give us a call. We'll come out for a diagnostic visit. It's likely we have these parts. We can get you up and running quickly here so that you can go back to being the coolest family on the street.